Hey there. If you're watching this, chances are you're either about to get or just got your first car. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like it. Your first car is more than just a ride, it's freedom, excitement, and the beginning of a whole new chapter. Whether it's something simple or your dream car, styling it and making it feel like yours is one of the best parts. So let's talk about how to turn your first car into something you'll love every time you get behind the wheel. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decoration. Okay, so let's start with a little daydreaming. Before you even buy your car, think about what you want it to look like. Create a vision board. Yep, it sounds a little cheesy, but trust me, it works. Pin up pictures of the cars that make your heart race. What color is it? What vibe does it give off? Your first car should match you, your style, your personality. Whether you're all about that vintage look or want something sleek and sporty, it's all about making your car reflect who you are. Alright, now let's talk about making that car your car. Styling your first ride doesn't have to cost a ton of money, but it can make a big difference in how it feels. Maybe start with small things, like a cute air freshener, a funky set of seat covers, or a new steering wheel cover. If you're feeling extra creative, how about some fun decals or maybe swapping out the wheels? Don't go overboard, but pick a few things that make you smile every time you get in. It's all about creating a vibe that's uniquely yours. Here's the thing, your first car isn't just a car. It's the place where some of your most memorable moments are going to happen. The first time you drive it solo, the first road trip with your friends, or even just cruising around with the windows down. It's about freedom and feeling like you can go anywhere. So, think about the little touches that make the car feel like a part of you. Maybe it's a lucky charm hanging from the rear view or a playlist that takes you back to those first drives. The car may be new, but the memories are yours to create. I know budget is a huge factor when choosing your first car, but don't worry, there's a wide range of cars to choose from that are both reliable and stylish, no matter your price range. If you're looking for something affordable, the Ford Fiesta from the US is perfect, compact, fun, and easy to maintain. The Volkswagen Polo from Germany is a solid choice, offering a smooth ride and great fuel efficiency. For a stylish Italian option, the Fiat 500 is a compact car with a lot of personality, ideal for urban driving. And if you prefer something Spanish, the Seat Ibiza is affordable, practical, and offers that European charm. If you're aiming for something a bit sportier but still within reach, the Mini Cooper from the UK is both iconic and fun to drive, making a statement wherever you go. On the Japanese front, the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla are all-time favorites, dependable, with great gas mileage and low maintenance costs. For a first SUV, the Mazda CX-5 offers the perfect mix of style and practicality. For those who want something with a little more muscle and adventure, the Ram Charger is an amazing option. It's a rugged, American-made SUV that's built for both performance and fun, perfect if you're into outdoor adventures or simply want that bold, powerful presence on the road. And if you're dreaming big and looking for something more luxurious, cars like the Audi A3 or BMW 2 Series from Germany deliver the perfect combination of performance and high-end design. If you're feeling extra ambitious, the Porsche 718 Cayman is an incredible ride, more of a dream car for many, but if you're aiming for that top-tier experience, it's one to keep on your radar. And for those looking to make a bold statement, the Maserati Ghibli from Italy offers both luxury and performance, with sleek lines and an engine that'll make your heart race. Let's be real, your first car experience is going to be unforgettable. From the first time you turn the key and hear the engine roar to that moment when you drive off on your own, there's nothing like it. And every little trip, whether it's running errands or heading out for a weekend getaway, becomes a chance to create new memories. Your car will be your partner in all kinds of adventures, so don't just drive it, experience it. Trust me, the first car memories you make will stay with you for life. Look, owning your first car is huge. It's a milestone, a symbol of new beginnings, and a chance to express who you are. So, whether you're dreaming of your perfect car or already behind the wheel, make the most of it. Style it the way you want, create memories that'll last a lifetime, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. And hey, I'd love to hear your first car stories. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of car you're driving or dreaming about. Your first car is just the beginning, and I can't wait for you to see where the road takes you. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.